Hi guys, welcome to our first Roblox video, and today we're going to be working as a cook at a pizza place on Roblox, and today we're going to be doing it at 5:45 a.m. with 100% volume. Yeah, so let's just play this. So basically, welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't subscribed, then please do. If you have subscribed, welcome back. And if you haven't liked the video, what are you doing? And if you haven't turned on notifications so you can be the first one to see my video, if you haven't done that yet, then just tap that little bell next up. It'll appear whenever you subscribe to me. Just tap that little bell and it'll go ding. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to play as a cook. So this is the cashier. This is the cook. Now I want to do cashier. I sort of want to do cashier a lot. Okay. Now we're a dumb cashier. We are very cashier. Oh God, guys. Let's get our cash and get the frick out of here. Come on, bro. Our pizza is guaranteed to kill you. Well, that wasn't very good business, was it? Let's talk to this dude. E-talk. Sorry, we're fresh out of pizza. Hold on, welcome, what would you like? I think this is good. Hi, pepperoni pizza, please. Pepperoni. Thanks! Now friend request me. Whoever that was, friend request me. I know it's a player because it jumped. Let me talk to your... Who would say that? Guys. He has a tweet. I have a tweet. I'm using that shirt, but except I have the Super Mario Bros. Shirt. What the frick? Why'd my character turn? Yeah, that guy only had one difference from me. I have the Mario shirt. Okay, I'm coming back. I am coming back. Okay, so me is coming back. I'm talking to myself. And he has a tweet, that's a sign that he's me. We have the best chicken tenders in the universe. I don't care. Don't you like chicken? Bro, me, I don't like chicken in real life. I have to be honest, I am a chicken hater. Just like I dab on them haters. I dab on them chicken lovers. Where's the, what? That dude just sweared. What's rude? He just said hashtag. Pace. Let's just click these little buttons for an hour. Let's just do that. Clicking these little buttons. It's so much fun. Okay, let's finally just take an order besides clicking these cute little buttons. Okay, our pizza is guaranteed to be hot and fresh. Well, the sausage pizza, okay, I'll give you a sausage pizza. Bundle. Thanks, a bundle. What? Are those two having a date? I could just catch this right now. Those two are having a date and the chef joined in. That's just crazy. They're online daters. They're abusing Roblox. We have great cheese pizza. Would you like some? Pepperoni, please. Thanks. Finally, the online dating is gone. It's just that one little girl. Bro, we know you're not a customer. We know that Goldie guy's clearly not a customer. The one that committed online dating suicide. All we serve here is cream of, hello, valid customer, what would you like? Pew, 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 you did. Valid? What does valid mean? Give me a cheese pizza, will ya? That's rude. Thanks. Now I just think he sounds like he's Texas. I'm scared. This man is scared. This man is very scared. This man is scared. So is the ocean. Hey, buddy the elf, what's your favorite color? Joke's on you. I don't have... Who doesn't have a favorite color? And besides, that's FGTV's elf. That person's our... Would you like a spoon for... Oh, what the frick? Why would you... You're just a horrible customer thingy. Cashier, get away. Get away. You're crowding our business. You're crowding our business at 5:55 a.m. Well, guys, I think that's a nice place to end the video. I'll see you on the next... Bye!